The KFL201 from Kenro is a powerful ring flash that you can attach directly to the lens of your Canon or Nikon camera. The compact design and wide range of settings make it a highly versatile ring flash. How to capture shadowless close-up photographs. The ring flash features TTL and multiple modes. It is also possible to manually set it completely by yourself. You can do that on the clear screen. With the ring flash, you will receive 8 different sizes of adapters, making the ring flash suitable for every common lens. Exact measurements on our site. ISO 100 KFL201 has directional number 14. Find more info on our website. The flash also includes an LED modeling lamp and 2 flash tubes that can be set and used independently. If desired, you can enable the rear curtain sync option to freeze the motion at the end of the exposure for added control.
Thank you for watching this video. For more information or to place an order, visit benel.eu.